So you believe in getting even?
Hell to the yeah.
Why do you feel the need that you got to get somebody all the time? It's like, get them, get them, get them. You don't think that's angry?
If they got me, I gotta get them. Yeah, that's what it is. Cora, I didn't raise no punk. You better go get that food.
I'm not no punk, my dear, but
Cora, you ain't gonna be no punk.
I'm not no punk. I'm not.
This Red Lobster full of hoes. You don't believe it? I'm gonna tell you. Let right there. Bro, boy, don't deserve no coochie. Full of hoes. Full of hoes.
My dear, what are you doing?
What you say about you staying here?
You know what? I guess we're gonna be going. Hey, I'll see your graduation, son. I'm proud of you. All right, let's go.
What you gonna do?